Hello and welcome to 7 Energy's Holistic channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 proven strategies to boost your gut health. Our digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients to keep our bodies functioning properly. In the dark recesses of your digestive system, there are trillions of bugs, hard at work keeping you healthy. Maintaining a healthy gut can improve our overall health and well-being. Here are 5 proven strategies to boost your gut health. 1. Limit refined sugars and processed foods. A diet high in refined sugar has long been associated with obesity and other gastrointestinal disorders. Light products and artificial sweeteners don't do any better. These include artificially sweetened drinks, which stimulate cravings for sweetness, making people more likely to eat sweet foods. 2. Get adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for your health. But what you may not know is that a lack of sleep can also have a big impact on your gut. Sleep deprivation can lead to changes in your gut microbiome. It can even affect what you choose to eat the next day. When you don't get enough sleep, it's more likely that you'll reach for sugary snacks or unhealthy comfort food instead of healthier options. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your gut healthy. Water helps to flush out toxins and waste products from the body, which can help to prevent digestive issues like constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated. 4. Introduce gut-healthy foods into your diet. Introducing these gut-healthy foods into your diet can improve your gut health. Garlic. Basically, it acts as fuel for those bacteria to do their job better, which makes your gut function better overall. Garlic promotes the growth of friendly bacteria in the gut and prevents disease-promoting bacteria from growing. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, thiamine, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese. Ginger has many medicinal properties. Ginger can help relieve nausea and vomiting, as well as other stomach-related symptoms. The compounds found in ginger are called gingerols. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may be why they work so well on digestion problems. Onions. All different types and colors of onions are good sources of vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and folate. Onions help repair and protect damaged cells in your body. They contain a high amount of prebiotics and fiber. In the body, this helps improve gut health by aiding digestion, strengthening the immune system, and lowering inflammation. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, kombucha are high in lactobacilli, a type of bacteria good for your health. According to research, people who consume a lot of yogurts have more lactobacilli and other prebiotics in their intestines. They also have lower levels of bacteria linked to inflammation and a number of chronic illnesses. Berries are known to help chronic inflammation and improve gut bacteria. Many berries have been linked to improved heart health, including lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Leafy greens may benefit the gut microbiome due to their high fiber content. Plant foods are high in specific nutrients that can increase the levels of beneficial bacteria while decreasing harmful strains of bacteria to support gut health. Eating a lot of fiber and leafy greens allows you to develop an ideal gut organism that lives in the colon. 5. Reduce stress daily. Stress can have a negative impact on gut health by disrupting the balance of healthy gut bacteria. To reduce stress, try to incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine. Make sure to take breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. Maintaining a healthy gut is important for our overall health and well-being. Limiting the consumption of refined sugars, processed foods, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and introducing gut-healthy foods into your diet are easy ways to improve your gut health. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to start feeling better today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.